Where is she? Really? Millie. Come on. Let's go down the hallway. I'm gonna need one of y'all lights.
One of y'all lights.
One of you guys' lights, please. Or a flashlight, or anything like that. Millie. Come on. Come on, Millie. Lazy ass, get up. Millie, get up. Come on. Let's go down the hallway. Come on. Come on. You coming?
Just go sit with your back up against that door.
No, dude.
Why not?
Because it scares me.
Sit with your back up against it with the dog.
Come on, Millie. Go in the bathroom. Come on. Come on, Millie. Millie, come on. No, Millie. Come here. Come on, scaredy dog. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. I hear y'all whispering.
What?
What? Come on, Millie.
We weren't whispering, man.
She won't come here.
We really weren't whispering.
Oh, whatever. You're full of shit.
It's just like Zach thought we were whispering. I mean, yeah, there were times that he could hear us, but...
Millie, come on. Come on. Come on, Millie. Come on. No, don't sit down. Come here. Come here. Come on. Millie. Millie.
What's she doing?
She's just sitting in the middle of the hallway. She won't come here.
She looking at you?
Yeah. And her ears are down. She's wagging her tail a little. She's looking kind of bronze. Millie. Oh, whatever.